Hi guys, my name's Alena and I was a staffer on JLI this past year and I'm going to be a managing editor this coming year. I joined JLI because I think our systems are so often set up to maintain the status quo and to perpetuate inequality. And I hope to use my legal education to help transform those systems so that they are more just and equitable for all. And I think JLI really aligns with my personal values and the reasons that I went to law school. You'll also meet a lot of like minded people on JLI and people who care about the same things as you. So, if those are things you care about, whether it's criminal justice reform or racial justice or inequality, um, this journal will help you meet like minded people. I have stayed and chosen to stay involved with JLI because I have met such incredible people, and I really do feel like this journal is making an impact on those issues that I care about. In terms of what my first year was like on the journal and the work as a staff member, kind of falls within two realms. So there's site checks and racking assignments, and then your student note. So I think the workload kind of ebbs and flows. I would say there were about 5 weeks where there was a lot of work for journal, and a couple weeks where I probably spent more work on journal than I did on any other class. So specifically the week when our background and intro section was due for our student note, and then when our first draft of our student note was due. But I think it's pretty manageable, and other than those 5 weeks, there wasn't too much work throughout. And you'll find out the first week of the semester when your site checks are, when your racking assignments are, and what the due dates are for your student note. So you will be able to plan ahead, and I think being able to plan ahead like that makes things really manageable. Aspirations for JLI next year. So I am really excited about the future of this journal and how we can maintain the caliber and reputation and even improve that through the university and beyond. So I'm excited that so many of our staffers from this year are coming back as editors this coming year. And I'm excited about all of you and really looking for staffers who, not just want to be on the journal next year, but want to then be an editor the following year and want to help recruit for the journal going forward to really help maintain kind of our reputation and niche for being the journal that is focused on issues around inequality. Finally, tips for petition process. The one thing I will say on this, I did not know the Blue Book at all prior to the petition process, and I was really intimidated by it. I learned it throughout the petition process, and I think you will too. The petition process is really set up so that you learn the Blue Book. So I would just say be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, and good luck.